Hi, hello, this is Ashok Kumar Ragi. Today we are going to discussing divisibility rules for 2 and 5. Already we discussed. Now we are going to discussing divisibility rules for 4 and 25. In the previous class, 2 and 5, why I am taking 2 and 5? 2 5s are 10, that is 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 equal to 10 power 1. So that's why we are taking only units place. Now here 4 and 25 having same rule because 4 into 25 is 100, that is 2 square into 5 square equal to 10 square. Here the power 2 indicates how many digits we have to take. Clear? Divisibility by 4. If the units and tens place of given number is the multiple of 4. And here the multiples of 4 are what? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. So we have infinity multiples for 4, but up to 2 digits, that is we are taking 96. After 96 both are zeros. So that is if we count these numbers, we have total 25 multiples. Here 4 have only 25 multiples which are 2 digits. So here 300 is exactly divisible by 4 because here 2 zeros we having. That is any century is always divisible by 4. And similarly here 1,35,792 is also divisible by 4. That is simple, we had to check 92 where 92 is divisible by 4 or not. Here 92, 4 2 are 8 and 12, 4 3 are 12. So that's why 92 is the multiple of 4. So that's why this entire number is divisible by 4. And now divisibility by 25. If the units and tens place of given number is the multiple of 25, that is multiples of 25 what? 25, 50, 75, 100. 100 means we are taking only 2 zeros. That's why we having only 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 25 have only 4 multiples which are 2 digits. Actual 25 multiples infinite, we have infinite multiples, but here we are taking only 4 multiples. So that is here 4 multiples are 25, 25 multiples are 4. So that's why 4 and 25 having same rule. That is units and tens place is the multiple of 4. Then that is divisible by 4. If the units and tens place is the multiple of 25, then that numbers are divisible by 25. Here example 1700 and 1,23,450. Here we have 50. 50 is the multiple of 25 and 00 is also multiple of 25. So that's why these type of numbers are divisible by 25. That is, we can, if we take 10 digit number also, we can say easily without taking actual division method, we can find whether that numbers are divisible by 2, 5, 4 and 25. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.